Hey, hi everyone, it's John Lee here, your local realtor, aka the Property Shark. As of March 4th, the Bank of Canada has announced that they're going to drop their interest rates by 0.5%. Now, what exactly does that mean, and who does it impact, and why is this all happening? I'm going to be talking to you all about this and addressing all this, so you want to stay tuned and watch this till the very end. So, interest rate is now at 1.25%. It dropped by 0.5%. And who this impacts are people that are in a variable interest rate and or a line of credit. So if you're in a fixed interest rate, this will not apply to you. And why is this important? Other banks reduce their prime rate. So essentially what happens when the Bank of Canada reduces their interest rate, the big five banks will most likely follow suit and reduce their prime rate. Now, we haven't seen a prime rate reduction in about 4 years time, so this is absolutely great news. What this means is that there will be a lower cost of borrowing if you're currently on a variable mortgage, or you're currently, if you're an investor client on the line of credit, you will be seeing a reduce in the cost of borrowing. Who else does this impact? I mean, this is fantastic news if you're a home buyer as well. Again, because your overall cost of borrowing will be going down as well. And if you're a home seller, this is fantastic news to you because guess what? There's going to be a lot more people that are going to be hitting the market. Not only is spring around the corner, but with the escalation of this news of interest rate dropping, it's going to stir up a lot more interest and people shopping around for a home as well. Cost of borrowing going down. And what does this all mean for the housing market in Vancouver and Toronto? We expect home prices to continue to go up, home sales to continue to pick up as they have been since November of 2019. And why is this all happening? Well, a big part of this is the overall effect that's going on in the whole world. And I'm sure you've heard of this called the coronavirus, right? And that's impacting a lot of countries. Even the United States have reduced their interest rates as well, and we're seeing a lot of countries following that path as well. Also, the impact of the coronavirus has been reflected in the financial markets. We see Dow Jones dropping by a lot of basis points, and they picked up a little bit yesterday. But with that being said, again, crude oil prices lower. It's been the lowest since 1991, right? Because the global demand of crude oil is just not as significant because of the coronavirus. So that is impacting a lot of the global economy and the global markets. But definitely in terms of a home buyer or seller, we're still seeing home prices going up. We're still seeing demand in housing going up, especially in Vancouver's market. So if you're on the edge about thinking about, getting into investment property, upsizing, downsizing, or if you're on the edge of thinking about, refinancing your mortgage, definitely make us your first point of contact. My contact information will be down below. DM me if you have any further questions. We're here to help you achieve your real estate goals. Once again, my name is John Lee, your local realtor, aka the Property Shark. Definitely feel free and share this content with everyone, all your friends, all your family that need to hear this. And most importantly, don't forget to double tap that heart, show me some love, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.